Morning students. In previous lecture we have discussed about microphone and loudspeaker, and today we will discuss about multi-speakers. As in most of the speakers, we get poor response for low and high frequencies and somehow better response for medium frequencies. But now we will discuss about different multi-speakers so that we could have a response at high and low frequency as a better response. So first of all, we need to be familiar with some of the terms, that is baffle and enclosures. Baffle is a type of a flat, rigid material which is used to extend the edges of a loudspeaker. As we are using cone loudspeaker, so edges will be extended and that is called as baffle. First of all, let me show you the figure of baffle. This is a basic baffle. So in this baffle, you can see that this is a cone type loudspeaker, and these are the front waves. That means sound waves are obtained from here, and also sound waves from back are obtained here. That means a loudspeaker having sound waves from front and from back are coming to this way. So the term baffle is also known as plane surface. So baffle is increasing the efficiency. You can see that sound energy is increasing from over here. That is, they are increasing as front plus back waves. So the efficiency will be more. The baffle increases the effective length of transmission path between front and back of radiator. Acoustical word is for sound. So now you can see that there is air on both sides, at front side and at the back side. Hence cone radiates sound from both the sides. However, when cone moves forward, now you will see that when this cone will move forward, it will compress from front and rarefaction from back. When it will move to backward side, it will have a compression at this side and rarefaction at this side. Why it will move frontward and backward? Because of pressure that will exert on it so that it could produce a sound waves. So diaphragm will move backward and forward, and compression and rarefaction will be done accordingly. Now as compression is here, rarefaction is here, or compression is here, rarefaction is here, there will be a difference of phase, that is 180-degree phase difference will be there. Now there are four types of baffles: finite, infinite, enclosure, or base reflex. Now in earlier time, people used to have a radio receiver or TV receivers in a finite baffle. You will see here, this is a finite baffle. So speakers were connected like this. It was in a wooden box. TV was placed in a wooden box, and speakers were connected like this in a wooden box. And that is called as finite baffle. In such baffle, they were having a finite size and are not very effective, so there was a loss of audio signals also. Then here comes infinite baffle. In infinite baffle, you will see that it looks like this. There are infinite type of baffles. They are connected like this. So speaker was fixed in a hole which was acting as a natural barrier. So sound from back side and from the front side come at the front, and it acts as a infinite baffle. So sound energy would be more in this. Infinite baffle is also connected in cars. You can see that at the back seat, at the back of back seat, these type of speakers are connected so that we could have a high efficiency sounds over there. Now this is enclosure. What is enclosure? When a speaker is connected in a closed box, that is called as enclosure. You can see here, this is speaker and this is enclosure. It is connected in wooden box which is closed from all the sides. Whereas in baffle, it was open from other sides like this or this. So this is the speaker and enclosure. This is basic enclosure. This is the like of basic enclosure. There is a hole, you connect speaker over here and the closed box is like this. So waves from this end will pass to this end. Wave from front also and from back, they will deviate the route and it will be coming from the front only. So there was a more sound energy over here. Like this. Waves were coming from front also and it was coming from back to this end also. It was another type base reflex enclosure. Here two speakers could be connected like this. One was this and other hole was there. So it was like this. The sound was coming from this end. Back sound was coming from this end and front sounds were coming from this end. Like this. You have seen this in DJ floors or in marriages also. So this was all about baffle and an enclosure. You need to have a brief description of this only. No detailed question will be asked to you. So this is woofer and tweeters. You will see that we were having a better response at the frequency 16 hertz to 20 kilohertz, while there was a poor response at low and high frequency. So we have made different types of speakers. For low frequency and for high frequency, we have different types of speakers now. The speakers which cover low frequencies, that is from 16 hertz to 1000 hertz, are called as woofers. The speakers which cover high audio frequencies are called as tweeters, and the speakers which have mid frequency range are called as squawker, that is 500 to 5000 hertz. Now what is crossover network? Crossover networks provide different part to different type of sound so that we could analyze the frequency of sound and it will be connected to correspond speaker like this. This is crossover network. It will provide a high frequency signal to this speaker, mid frequency to this, and low frequency signals to this. Characteristics of all these speakers will be different. This is for high frequency, this is for low frequency, and this is for mid frequency range. And this is frequency response. For mid frequency, it was like this. For low frequency, and for this is for high frequencies. This is a real structure of loudspeakers connected over here. So only brief description of baffle enclosure multi-speaker. This is called as multi-speaker was there. You could have a read. You could read this article or this presentation. I will provide you a link in detail. Otherwise, this was all about crossover network is the main question which may be asked in 5 marks in the previous question papers. So this is all about multi-speakers. Multi-way speaker system, woofer and tweeter. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the content. I will share this PPT with you all. Thank you for watching.